How you doing, YouTube? Archimedes here. I was just going to do kind of a quick video. I've already tried it on one behind me here, the LED conversions from fluorescent. I have here a lamp. It's pretty much already set to go. I've already done everything else except for on just this last one. I was trying to really cut down the video as short as I possibly could because I hate these long videos. Anyway, when they get into explaining shunted and unshunted or non-shunted, what they're talking about is this little jumper here. This is a shunted, and all I'm going to do to make it non-shunted is just take that out. Now it's non-shunted, so you can put a positive wire here and a negative here, and it's hot. Put a positive here is nothing. So with that being said, and pretty much done, I've already spliced the wires. I've already pretty much all but installed this thing. All I'm doing is just taking, and I drilled a hole here on this side because it did not have one on this side, and then on the back of the lamp itself on these holders there's a jumper wire. You need to take that jumper wire out and make sure that those are unshunted as well. So I've already done that, taken the wire out, and I'm just going to install, actually I'm going to trim this down a little bit. Going to install this one. I'm going to trim this side too. And like I said, I've already done it on one and it seemed to work fine. It's still lit and the garage hasn't burned down. So I'm taking that as a good sign and I'm going to leave it at that. So now I've pretty much done this one. I'm going to put the cover back on it and little piece of wire there got me. So pretty much I'm ready to hang this thing back into the garage where it came from. And like I said, so far this is the second one that I've done. I haven't really gotten extremely crazy with these. These bulbs are direction sensitive, so power this end. So we're gonna power this end. And other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory in my opinion, but it varies with people. Power this in. I'm gonna make sure I've got power on this end. Okay, and ready to see some sparks? Let's check it. Works for me. Like I said, it's very self-explanatory. Shunted and unshunted. Shunted has the little bitty jumper in there. That's all it is, just a little piece of flat brass. Chunk that out. Direct wire basically is all you're doing. And for lack of better terms, once you pull apart the inside, it should be self-explanatory. Once again, trying to keep this video as short as possible. It's still lit. I think if a fire were to happen, I'd have a fire extinguisher somewhere. And as far as lighting wise, I actually kind of think some people have voiced that they noticed like maybe a 20% increase in lighting. I haven't really noticed a dramatic amount of difference. I'm just looking forward to the electric bill. I did leave the ballast in it, but it's unwired. It's basically just it's in there. It's dead weight right now though. So hopefully this will help you out. I really get confused sometimes when people do these videos. They like to stop and edit, and I don't have all the editing software and I don't have time for that crap. So hopefully this was simply bare minimum of what you need to know about wiring your lamps or your fluorescents. And once again, see you next time. Thanks for watching.